In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and prioritize tasks with Notion. Let's get started right from the Notion workspace. First, open a page where you want to manage your tasks. This can be an existing page, like a projects page, or a brand new blank page. It's often helpful to give this page a clear title, like Task Manager or To-Do List, so you always know where to find it. On this page, click into the empty space and start typing /, then the word database. As you type, Notion will show you a list of options. From that list, choose Database Inline. This creates a small table right inside your page, instead of a full-screen database, which makes it easier to keep notes and tasks together in one view. You'll now see a simple table with a few default columns, such as name and tags. To make this table useful for prioritizing your tasks, we need to add a new property. Look at the top of the table where the column headers are, and click on the plus sign to add a new property. A menu will appear asking what type of property you want. From this list, select Status. The Status property is perfect for task organization because it's visually clear and lets you group or filter tasks based on their state. Once the Status property is added, click directly on the Status column header. Then choose Edit Property. This is where you can customize the different status options that will appear in the drop-down for each task. By default, Notion may give you a few options, but you'll want to tailor them to your own workflow. Add 3 clear priority levels, one called High Priority, one called Medium Priority, and one called Low Priority. If there are any default options you don't need, you can remove or rename them so your list stays simple and focused. Now, when you start adding tasks to your database, you can click in the status column for each task and assign it a high, medium, or low priority. Over time, this will make it much easier to scan your list and decide what to work on first. You can even sort or group your database by this status property to see all your high priority tasks together at the top. And that's all you need to set up a basic, effective system to organize and prioritize tasks with Notion.